have here, with everything I've done so far, changing out all the hangers, the shackles, the balancers out, it's tightened everything up a lot. Having some issues with a lot of wear on the tires from all the bouncing around. So with an empty load, you got a lot of bounce on your axles and causes extra wear on your tires. And they say that shocks will help with some of that. So I thought, well, this trailer would rattle like crazy going down there. So hopefully this gives me some better tire wear, smoother ride. I don't have any brackets to mount these up, so I'll see what I have around for scraps to make my own and figure out where I'm going to mount everything underneath there. We'll see how things turn out, how things go. So let's get started. All right, so we're going to chop the heads of these bolts off. Okay, so I'm going to take these, cut these. These will be my top mounts. I'll drill them out and weld them on top of the frame. The bolts will go through and bolt the shock right to there. So let's get them down. I need to hang over 7/8 of an inch past the I need to hang them over 7/8 over the frame, so that way my shocks are not leaning. So we'll see what we got here. So now we'll sand this side down, file it down, face the front, center drill it, and bore it all the way through. Drill it all the way through. go. Got them all made. A little bit of burrs. Hot ones. A little bit of burrs. Drill came through. Just clean them up a little bit. So these holes are 12 millimeter. I did buy some bolts for them, but I don't like the idea of using the 12. I want to just go with everything standard. So I'm going to be drilling these out to a 1/2 inch size. I'll be drilling them out to a 1/2 inch size, and these right here are already drilled out. So we will drill some more of these out, get them all done, so we can move to the next step. So let's move on to the drill press. All right, here we go. One. We got 4 more to go. So we'll go ahead and speed this thing up right now. So here we go. You think of robots in space? You need tools? I don't need them.
Is it even on?
Yeah, it's on. Let's see, I think that's pretty good right there.
What is that?
It's for you to ask questions. Can you see what I'm doing here?
Yeah. I can see your face too.
Good. Does it look good?
Looks good to me. But why do you have that string on?
Hold it together.
Oh.
To hold it together.
Will you take it off anyways?
Huh?
Will you take it off?
Not right now, but I will.
Alright.
So that's pretty good right there.
Okay. Stop it. Looks pretty good. 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 Looks pretty good.
Okay, to mount these shocks up, we're gonna have to pull this board off right here. Underneath is the frame where we're gonna be welding to. Make it a lot easier, get a lot better weld, be able to access it. So we'll pull these bolts off. And so what I'm gonna be using is this DeWalt little angle piece. Makes it really nice because I got 3-inch channel and I got to go in between the channel to get the nut off. And so using this allows me to get up in there and to do it with the power tool instead of with a wrench or a ratchet. So as you can see, really tight right here. So I take this, get it up in there, just like that. Alright, let's get this welded on. These are a little different. Those are the ones I had to weld to the axle. And then my last one. On this side, then we go these three in place. Everything's welded, painted. And there we go. All done, ready to put the boards back on.